The last case of locally acquired rabies in a human was in 1967 in Ontario. So this is a very rare event.
Brant County's top doctor reassuring the public after the region confirmed its first ever human case of rabies on Friday. Dr. Rebecca Comley saying the individual was hospitalized, but revealing little else about the case, citing privacy. The illness is suspected to have come from direct contact with a bat in the Timiskaming region in northeastern Ontario.
I do want to reinforce, though, that this isn't a local risk. This is a province-wide risk. There is cases of wild animal rabies across the province.
Nearly 2 weeks ago, Peel Region's Public Health Unit confirmed that 2 bats had tested positive for rabies, one in Brampton and one in Mississauga. But officials say that number is not a cause for alarm.
We do see about 2 positive rabid bats in a year. But however, the risk overall is very low to residents.
Rabies is a serious viral infection that causes brain and spinal cord inflammation and is typically spread via direct contact with an infected animal through a bite or scratch. Dr. Heather Reid, a veterinarian at the Toronto Wildlife Centre, says bats are common in both rural and urban areas in Ontario and typically stay away from humans. She says while these latest cases can sound alarming, it's not necessarily cause for added concern.
It's just bringing an awareness of a situation that is always in the wild bat population. So anytime you would see a bat during the day, that is atypical. It's not completely abnormal, but it's a bit off what they normally do. So that's one clue that there might be something going on. But if a bat is on the ground, or if it's roosting low on a tree or low on a wall in an area where a predator could catch it, that's just another clue that it might not be feeling well.
Reid advises anyone who encounters a bat that may be unwell to reach out to the local wildlife center and avoid touching the animal. Now, if you've had direct contact with a bat, regardless of whether or not you think you may have been bitten or scratched, health officials say it's important to wash the area immediately and seek medical attention. In North York, Erica Natividad, City News.